Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had a previous video where I was saying that today was a pool day. It's about 95 degrees outside, and so I decided to make a few cocktail videos as I made the cocktails for my fiance and I. When it's a pool day and it's hot, there's nothing better than an ice cold margarita. So this is the original margarita I made, and I'll link the video down in the description box below. But I'm also craving the Chili's strawberry margarita. I love Chili's margaritas. They're delicious. So for this margarita, I'm going to use Trader Joe's frozen strawberries. Now, there are times when I want a margarita that's a berry mix, and for that, I'll use the berry medley from Trader Joe's, and it has strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and it's really, really good. And I feel like it's healthy because I'm getting my fruits in. But today we're making a strawberry margarita. So if you want to learn how I make my Chili's frozen strawberry margarita, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get our blender. And I'm using the Ninja blender. I love this blender. The blade comes apart, it's perfect. So we're going to add, and I'm making it for 2 people. So we're going to add 6 ounces of tequila, and you can use any tequila. I'm using Hornitos, and this is Hornitos, I believe, Reposado, and it's about $28 at Costco. It's a huge, what is it, 1.5 liters, so perfect. And we're going to add 6 ounces of tequila. So it's 1.5 ounces per, so there's 3 and 3 more. And if you go a little over, is it really a big deal? Okay, next we're going to add 2 ounces of triple sec. And like I've mentioned, you can use triple sec, orange Cointreau, or Grand Marnier. But triple sec is the cheapest and it does the job. So we're going to do 2 ounces of this. Then we're going to do 4 ounces of lime juice. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to do a handful of strawberries. So almost about, I would say about half this bag, just because it's 16 ounces. So a handful would be about half of it, which would be about 8 ounces. So give or take 8 ounces, give or take half the bag. So I mean, this bag is, it's really small. It's only a pound and only has a few strawberries. So. And last but not least, we're going to add some simple syrup. And like I mentioned in my last video, you can make simple syrup at home. You don't have to buy it. It's literally 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, dissolved. And then you cool it, put it in your fridge. And I'm going to add 1.5 ounces. Perfect. Now I'm going to blend and serve. Okay, so now that I finished blending my margarita, I didn't put too much ice in there because I still wanted it on the rocks. So I grab my glass and I pour it in. And for this one, what you can do is rim it with sugar instead of salt, because it's delicious. And there you have it, this delicious Chili's frozen strawberry margarita. Guys, this is amazing. It's not too sweet and it's not too sour, just perfect for me. If you like it sweet, I recommend using more simple syrup. And same thing for the original margarita, which I'll link in the description box below. If you like it a little bit sweet, less sour, more sugar. That's all you need. They're both so good. I don't know if I have a favorite. I think it all depends on your mood. So I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.